How to hide mutual friends on Facebook application. For that, you have to first open the Facebook app and log into your Facebook account. Make sure you have the updated version of your Facebook application. Then tap on the three-line menu icon at top right corner and now select the gear icon at top right, which is next to the magnifying glass. Once you reach on the section under Tools and Resources, tap on Privacy Checkup. Wait for a moment until it gets loaded and now select the Who Can See What You Share option. Now you have to tap on Continue button and under this profile information you can see who can see your friends list on your profile. So you just have to tap on the public option and set to only me. So this will hide your mutual friends on Facebook app. Now tap on next button and here you have to tap on next again and now tap on next and now tap on review another topic and get into this page. So the next way you can hide mutual friends on Facebook app is you have to get access to the settings and privacy page and scroll down and under the audience and visibility option select how people can find and contact you option and on this section under your friends you can see who can see your friends list. You have to select only me if you haven't by tapping on the arrow like option and from this drop down menu you have to select only me if you haven't. So that's how we hide the mutual friends on Facebook app. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.